Okay guys, this is a 2023 Toyota Prius XLE all-wheel drive. Rebuilt title, driver's side rear door damage. Prius known it's a hybrid. Gets incredible gas mileage. Nothing was hit or damaged up here in the front. So damage is right here. This door is missing. All-weather floor mats. Let's start it up here for you. $25,456 on the miles. Adaptive cruise, lane assist. Heated seats. You got to get all set up here when you get it, when you purchase it. But all sorts of different options. It's auto hold. It has wireless phone charging here. Backup camera. This does have a heated steering wheel. Power windows, locks and mirrors. This is where the damage was. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com. Again, this is an all-wheel drive Toyota Prius 2023. Just over 25,000 miles on it.